years old and have been married to my husband Adam for 3 years. In the beginning, our life felt like a dream, filled with love, happiness, and hope for the future. But over time, Adam grew distant, spending more time on his phone and making excuses for late nights. Deep down, I felt something was wrong, but I brushed it off as insecurity until one night, while he was in the shower, his phone buzzed. I hesitated, but picked it up, only to find a message from another woman that read, "I can't wait to see you again. Last night was amazing." My heart shattered as I confronted him, and after some denial, he admitted to the affair. I felt betrayed, lost, and as though the ground beneath me had disappeared. Despite his pleas for forgiveness, I decided I needed space. I packed my bags and stayed with a friend, reflecting on everything. Being away gave me the clarity to realize that I deserved better than a life of lies and broken trust. A week later, I returned home, not to forgive him, but to say goodbye. Leaving wasn't easy, but I knew I had to choose myself. Now, as I walk through the snowy paths of life, I am learning to love myself again, embracing my strength, healing, and the peace that comes with knowing my worth.